Hello everyone, I'm Talal, and today I will describe BeFocus, which is one of the productivity app I started using 3 weeks ago. So have you ever heard about Pomodoro technique? Or does working for a long period of time making you feel like you are losing your mentally and physically active? BeFocus is the best choice for you. So what is BeFocus? It's an application that's used for Pomodoro technique, through which you can raise your productivity level and you can create tasks, configure breaks, and track your progress. So why is BeFocus? Because it's used the Pomodoro technique, which is the timer technique that helps to raise the level of focus on performing a specific tasks for a specific time with obtaining breaks. This technique helps keep you focused on one task and keep you physically and mentally active. So, what is BeFocus can help you with? BeFocus can help you with many things, like working on a task at a specific time with a scheduled period as you like, scheduling to finish tasks by day and time, knowing the amount of tasks completed and seeing the daily, weekly, and monthly graph for tasks completion. The application can also be used for your other hobby, such as sports, reading, etc. So who can use BeFocus? I really believe that everyone can use this app no matter what their task is. Businessman can use it if for their businesses. A student can use it for their assignment or when they study. Other professionals like doctors, lawyers for their tasks. I'm also using this app when I'm playing because this app using a Pomodoro technique, which is a timer, and I'm playing a chess a timer. So I use this app to calculate my time play. So yeah, it's other ways to use this app. So how to get this app? This application is for devices that support the iOS system, which is a Mac, iPhone, and iPod. And the first link and second link, the links that help you to access the app. And I also will put this two links in the video description to help you access that. So now I will take you to a quick tutorial on how to use the app. It's a simple app and I hope you enjoy. So this is how is the app look like, and this is the home screen of the app. Yeah. So I will show you how to create a list or a tasks. I'm sorry. So when we click here, we can see this screen. So to do, which is the all tasks that you want to do, and done, which is the tasks that you finish it. Uh, and how you create tasks, just click here and you can type anything that you will know that is the task that you want to work with, like do you see what's the justice class final project. Okay, so when you click to the circle, the task will hidden from here and it will move to the done tasks. If you want to return this tasks to do, just click for the circle again. So right now, let's move to a Pomodoro screen. So this is a Pomodoro screen. From here, you can click and you will see all of the tasks that you create. Just click for the tasks that you want to start to work with. And when you click to this button, your interval will start. So So the creator of this methods show that a manual timer and typing can help motivate you to stay focused on the tasks. But if you feel like it's noisy or you are sitting in a public place like a library or a coffee shop and you don't want to be a noisy, you can shut down the striking and I will show you how to do that. So what you see now, it's a time and it's move and it's work and you just can click for this and you will see your time is moving. So when the interval done, you will notify by a sound that tell you that your short break is start. So as you see here, it's 2 minutes for my short break. So in my break, I like to get up and leave my room, making a coffee or walking around. But you can do anything that will get the blood flowing. Just completely leave behind what you are doing and take a mental and physical break. So it's a 2 minutes and I don't want you to just look for 2 minutes for timing moving. So when I click for this, it will skip the short break interval and will start the second interval time. As you see here, it's a 3 divided 4 tasks. What is this? It's my daily or my today goals. My today goals, which is a 4 interval. So after 2 intervals done, I will take a long time break, which is a long breaks. But after each interval done, I will take a short break. As you see here, for this 10 seconds. So this is the options button. So when you click the options button, as you see here, my long break times start. So when I just click for this, my long breaks will start. My long break was which is 120 minutes, 2 hours, and this times I like to leave my room, ordering foods, talking with anyone's, and you can do anything. Sometimes I'm going to play soccer in my neighborhood, but just make sure that you click for the button to start your long break. And if you use your phone app, just make sure that you did not close the app. Just you can move from the app, but do not close it because when you close the app, the Pomodoro techniques or the timer will stop. So from here, the options. In the options, you can see the reports, the settings, and about the app. So when we click the settings, you will see here the general settings, which is the appearance, launch at start up, and show timer in the menu bar. So show time in the menu bar, as you see here. Let me start the long break. Like you see, the time in the bar. So if I click for the show time in the bar, it will move from the bar, but I like to see it. And auto start timing and show tasks and others. So show tasks others, it's a main tasks in the app. You cannot delete it or edit it or do anything for it, but you can see it or hide it. So if you click for this, you will see the others tags, but if you not clicking, you will not see the other tags here. So as you see here, no others, but when I click for this, you will see there are others here in the main button. So intervals, which is the main point of your options and settings. So your work interval duration, I'm usually make my interval duration for 60 minutes, but I'm using 1 minute now here to show you or just to describe the video. Also for my short breaks duration, I'm using 5 minutes. For long break duration, I'm using 120 minutes. You can change this time and for any way you want, and for how when you want to start your long break duration. uh, I'm always starting my long break duration after two intervals, but you can change it as you like for one, or I don't prefer to start your long break duration after one intervals, but two and other intervals is great. So your target per daily. So my target daily, which is the four intervals. So after four intervals, I'm usually does not do anything for my working or assignment. So here from notification and sounds, like you see, work completed sounds and end break sounds. I'm preferring to choose two different sounds for your work completed sounds and your end break sounds, just to know which is promoter techniques or which is timer is start, your end break or your work completed sounds. As you see here is your seeking sounds. So if you click for this, you will not hear your seeking times. So if you are in the library or in the coffee shop or in the public place, just click for the seeking sounds and it will shut down. But if you click it now, you will hear the seeking sounds. So right now, I will move to the option, the reports, which is the tasks graph. You will see all of your tasks graph. So all data starting from which days you want to start to see your graphs from, and which days you want to end your data graph with, and by intervals or intervals or hours, I'm sorry, and all tasks or specific tasks like GUC final project or English project 3 or crime second writing. So as you see here is the all tasks and by hour. So in by hour, I'm working for like 1 hour in this day, which is 29, and from 30 I'm work for 2 hours and like this. So if you move to intervals, you can see your goal intervals exactly. So here my goal intervals was 4. So as you see here, my goal intervals was 2, and the total work intervals, which is 2. So when you click for this, you will see a graph that show you all of your tasks with the percentage of intervals work and percentage of hours works. So this is the BFox app. I hope you enjoy, guys, and thank you for listening.